Today we are hanging a whitetail skull. This is a Euro mount. Most of you already know that. And we're gonna park this on the RHE. This is the medium sized. We have an RHEXL as well. It's really simple, 3 easy steps. Sit this guy down, let's hang it. You will need your RHE. This is the hex key that's provided. And then the 2 mounting screws, those are also provided, and a drill. If you're a dude, even a gal, you know, you gotta do that. Okay. We have some drywall inserts which are sufficient for holding the RHE. We highly recommend a stud. It just didn't lay out with our collage here, so we're using some drywall inserts. Step 1, pick your spot, hang your product. So if you have a short Phillips driver like I do here, we recommend turning this upside down and out of the way. That way you can reach. It's really easy. You can just loosen the knurled cap and rotate it down below, and then you'll be able to flip it back. Top screw first. Okay, looks pretty level. What's nice about having the ball joint is even if you don't get the bracket perfectly vertical, the ball joint will allow for any finite movement in leveling your skull. Step 2, hang the skull. I like to get we'll turn this back upright. It's peaked like an arrow, so that's how you know that's up. I like to get this fairly tight before you even put your skull on. And you can have it just loose enough where you can still adjust it. So there's a hole in the back of every skull the way God made them here, and these are the 2 occipital bones. Now we've designed our T-bracket to hit here, and that bites into those occipital bones and locks it in, but you'll still be able to adjust it. No fanciness here, just install it. Sits down. Now what's nice is we have our north of 90 feature, which allows it to sit teeth down, and it's not gonna fall off because it's pointed above 90 degrees. But depending on the height and your space where you're hanging it, you can tip it up so you can appreciate the frame, the G2s and 3s, the brows. You can also rotate it side to side. You can even mount it intentionally crooked if you're into that. This one we're gonna mount somewhat facing this way so we can appreciate it in the kitchen, a little bit of the living room, and then dining as well. So I'm just getting it as tight as I can here on the knurled cap. Step 3 is lock it in. So I already showed you tighten here, and we have the 3/16 hex key that we provide with the product. You tighten the set screw on bottom, and essentially this is just insurance. But yeah, easy as 3 steps. 1 is find the location, install the bracket. 2 is park the skull on the product. 3 is lock it down. We're gonna step back and look at them here in a sec, just to confirm. I've got the eyes pretty level, nose looks right. Let's see here. Like that. Looks like I need to adjust it just a tad, but we did it.